Assalamualaikum. Hai semua, apa khabar? Today we will study the verbs used from a drama clip. The drama is titled Assam Pedas untuk dia, meaning Assam Pedas for him. You can go to the link above or in the description to watch the drama. Assam Pedas is a very famous sour and spicy fish stew dish. Some uses chicken or beef to prepare this stew, and if you ever go to Malacca, the historical city in Malaysia, there are many places selling this iconic dish in the city. Don't skip that city, okay? It is quite spicy if you cannot handle the heat. However, I love the Johor version of Assam Pedas, particularly the one made by my mother. Thank you, Mum. Now, let's go to the verbs. It is a short video, and I hope you enjoy the lesson. Buka peti ais, or in spoken Malay, buka peti ais. Open the fridge. Keluarkan jam. Keluarkan jam. Take out the jam. Keluarkan jus oren. Keluarkan jus oren. Take out the orange juice. Tutup peti ais. Tutup peti ais. Close the fridge. Ambil pinggan. Ambil pinggan. Or in spoken Malay, ambil pinggan. Ambil pinggan. Take the plate. Letak pinggan. Letak pinggan. Put the plate. Letak gelas. Letak gelas. Put the crystal cup. Angkat cerek. Angkat cerek. Lift the kettle. Tuang air. Tuang air. Pour the water. Kacau teh. Kacau teh. Stir the tea. Letak penutup teko. Letak penutup teko. Put on the teapot lid. Tambah sayur. Tambah sayur. Or masukkan sayur. Masukkan sayur. Add the vegetable. Tutup api. Tutup api. Or padamkan api. Padamkan api. Turn off the stove. Bawa makanan. Bawa makanan. Or in spoken Malay, bawa makanan. Bawa makanan. Bring the food. Letak makanan atas meja. Letak makanan atas meja. Put the food on the table. Here is the summary of the verbs. We have reached the end of today's lesson. Don't forget to help the channel grow by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. And until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.